When I was younger, I had huge confidence issues. I was really not confident. I was lacking it a lot, and that was hurting my everyday life. That was really showing in sports because I was always good at sports. I was a good player in basically every sport. But when people that like I wasn't really like comfortable with, that I didn't really know well, would come to play, then I would automatically play a little bit worse because I was insecure because I feared the judgment. I feared that I wasn't gonna play good enough, and then I would automatically play worse even though I know I can play better. But it's not just sports, it was also everyday things in my life. I was lacking confidence everywhere. These days that has improved a lot. That has definitely changed. I have way more confidence, and honestly now that I do, I can see why I didn't have confidence. I know why I didn't. I didn't have confidence because I didn't deserve confidence. How would I deserve confidence? I was skinny, I had bad hair, I had bad skin, I had no social skills, I had no discipline, I wasn't doing any good habits, I was living horribly. I should have been ashamed of that. How can you have confidence when you're not behaving like a person who has confidence? I mean, picture a confident guy. I mean, picture someone who has really, really high confidence. How do you imagine them? Well, you imagine them like going to the gym, like big and muscular, like strong, and has a lot of girls. And well, if he has all that, of course, he will have confidence too. I mean, imagine then a guy who is like skinny fat, living in his mom's basement, eating junk food all of the time, playing video games and watching anime, not talking to people. No, that guy doesn't have confidence. It's not a stereotype of that anime watchers or video gamers don't have confidence. It's not a stereotype. It's the truth, because people like that don't deserve confidence. And that sounds rude, but it's true. That can change. You're not destined to not have confidence. You can change. The key to getting confidence is to work on yourself and become a guy who deserves confidence. And you do that by hopping on self-improvement. And also, everyday skills can help. If you know how to do these little everyday skills, that they are at the back of your mind and you know what they are, but you're just kind of like ignoring them. You're just kind of insecure because you don't know how to do them. For example, I don't know how to cook or how to use some tools for building or whatever. Learn how to do them. It's not hard. It's gonna take just a little bit of time, and you're gonna be way more confident because you will know that if you face these everyday problems, you will know how to solve them. In short, confidence comes with self-improvement, so you need to start self-improvement. How do you do that? Well, you can check out either my channel or any channel or YouTube, or just in simple, just do the good habits. Just do the things that are good for you. Stop living the unhealthy life and start doing the healthy habits. That's all I wanted to say for this video. So if you want to check out my channel for self-improvement, you can go down and subscribe and watch some videos that will be helpful. And basically that's all I had to say for this video. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.